Okay, this is Claycast, and I am back. And okay, I thought I had lost my little bead, and I'm sorry that this is about 24 hours later than I initially thought I would be. I found me some earring findings, and I don't even have the backings on it, but I've got the backings elsewhere. I don't need them right now. So here. And I found me some. And do I? Yeah. No, I don't. I had gotten me like one set of jump rings, and these are oval. And I should have used this because it was hard on my hand to open that. So let's see. I had to open that little jump ring, and then see. Maybe I won't use my little beads because with the jump ring, it's going to make it longer than I initially wanted it to really kind of be. So I may save because I didn't have a tiny jump ring. And sometimes just a little fraction of an inch is enough to kind of make your earring be a little too long. So even though I painted those, for this set, I'm going to leave those out. And let's see. I got it here a little tighter. All right. And maybe if I put that down, I'll have an easier time picking this up and threading it. Oh my goodness. This is giving me a little struggle. But I got it. 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 So let's see. Sometimes I'm able to, depending on what the wire is, I guess sometimes I am able to do the jump ring with just one pair of pliers. But most of the times, I need two pairs of pliers. And right now, I really needed to have a flat nose pair and one round nose. Because even this is now giving me a little difficulty. And I really want them to come tight together, those ends. Oh, I just bumped everything, didn't I? Sorry about that. I wanted them to come tightly together so that nothing would slip apart. But part of the nicety of having an oval jump ring is that it kind of helps with gravity. It kind of helps things to not come apart. So, let's see. Okay. You're giving me a hard time, jump ring. I didn't want you to give me a hard time. I just wanted life to be easy peasy. Yeah, I think that should be enough. Easy peasy. So if I put that down, okay. Ooh, I can hear the TV in the background, and I'm hoping that my phone is not as good at picking that sound up. So yes. So it's imperative that I make sure I keep talking, because my voice will be a little louder. what is on the TV. And let's see. Do I have that matching up? It looks like I do. But there it goes. There it goes. I think, let's see. And I don't want to bump my phone again. So I think I got it. I may have to get my other pliers. So I'll save those other beads for later. But here are my lovely earrings. Oh man. These are cute. They are cute. And I have a little green in my dress. They'll go because I have some sequins in my dress. It will pick up a lighter green. But here are my earrings. And I'm going to have to play around and make me some more. Yes. I sprayed it with a little bit of a clear coat. And I didn't pick a shiny coat, but I did spray it with a little clear coat. So, scratching. The colors are down in there good. They're not going to rub off with a little moisture. So, yes, this is a viable alternative to having filament in the correct color. So I may go out and buy me some more white filament because I'm almost down to the end. So let me know what you think about my little earrings and my little experiment. And I will look to see what you guys say and what you recommend. And I will continue to experiment and play around and do some different things. And someone said something really important earlier today that I was listening to. And they said, sometimes you don't have to go out and shop. Shop the supplies you have. And that is so true. I have so much in abundance. And I need to whittle it down to less items. So I'm going to start looking in my closet, in my boxes, and in my baskets, and seeing what I can dig out and make use of. Okay, this is Cass WMS signing off for today. And if you'd like the video, please definitely give me a thumbs up. Give me some comments of some different things that you think I should try. Some different things that I should maybe do. Let me know what you think, please. Okay? Bye-bye. Signing out.